Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, fine. Are you in good condition? That's great. I hope you are getting well now. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together by Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I just want to remind you that this meeting is still in online learning because of pandemic. And do you still remember about the last material? Yeah, great. Genre of music. And what kind of genre of music? Please raise your hand. Okay, Mas Robi. Pop, yes, pop. And then? Okay. Okay, blues. And then what else? Okay. Yeah, of course. And okay, now we are going to learn about two-dimensional artwork. Do you know about two-dimensional artwork? Yes. Definition of two-dimensional artwork. The term art is often you encounter both in writing and intercourse verbally. Two-dimensional artwork only has length and width. Variety of artwork around us has many kind of variety. However, the artwork can be classified by their type by categorizing the similarity of the characteristic of work with one another. At the animals, for the correction can be based on gender. There is a male and there's also a female. On plants can be categorized according to their function. There are plants grow as an ornament for beautifying the garden. There are also plants grown for consumed. Likewise, in the event of artwork, moderatory, you can differentiate based on the form or its function. Point B, elements and object of artwork. In the artwork, the physical element can be directly viewed and or admitted, while non-physical elements are the principal or common rules used to place the physical elements in artwork. Okay, I will give you the element of art, but in videos. Please watch and understanding about the element of art.
Has a variety of shapes and functions. Based on the dimensions, we know the work of two and three-dimensional art. The two-dimensional work is materialist from the raw materials and mediums. The unique character of each material and medium requires various tools and processing techniques and the combination to realize the artwork. The materials and mediums used for the work of two-dimensional art can be a natural ingredient or synthetic material.
continue to the part C, medium, material, and technique. Before doing the two-dimensional artwork, it's important for you to have knowledge and understanding of various tools, material, and commonly used technique in art practices. First is the material for the tools of this art is also many kind of vanity. Some serve as the main material and there is also a supporting material. For example, the way makes the work of paintings using canvas and paints as the main ingredients and wood and nail is the supporting material. We can see picture in the corner. Point 2 is tool of making at work. In the two-dimensional art, at least known as many key categories of garment for the mean of tools of shaping, drawing, and coloring and printing tools. And the you can see picture in the above that's tool of making at work. The third is technique of artwork. The artwork is also named based on the main technique used in its manufacture. Kriya Batik's art, for example, shows the type of artwork made with a biological technique, as well as Kriya Aryan art, to name the type of artwork made with a weaving technique. The picture below is one of the techniques, that is membatik. Because the time is over, your duty is make paintings or drawings of two-dimensional art by looking at the living model of live entity objects. Use pencil and color it. A week is enough, right? Yes. Before we close our lesson today, who wants to make a summary of this chapter? Yeah, I choose two of you, and one I choose by me or you choose by yourself. Okay, number one, yeah, Mbak Melly, and then again, okay, Mbak Shirley.
I'm Charlie. I will present about summary. Dimensional art can be a natural ingredient or synthetic material. The beauty of artwork looks visually from the form and objects of the artwork. The element of the physical or element of physical are prepared using the principles of arrangement or non-physical elements, forming composition of an imitable and attractive image or painting object.
Summary: the artwork has a variety of shapes and functions. Based on the dimensions, we know the work of two and three-dimensional arts. The two-dimensional work is materialized from the raw materials and mediums. The unique character of each material and medium requires various tools and processing techniques, and the cultivation to realize the artwork. The materials and mediums used for the work of two-dimensional art can be a natural ingredient or synthetic material.